So, you're probably wondering why you're looking at footage of the freeway on a cloudy morning in LA. To explain that, we have to go back a few months. You see, we have this customer, John, and John had some trouble with his QuickJack order. First he got the wrong frame, then he got another wrong frame, and well, I'll just quit while we're behind. But mistakes happen. They happen to everyone, and yes, even at QuickJack we sometimes have a little shipping slip-up. Now, as you can imagine, we were feeling a bit embarrassed about the mistake and wanted to make it right. So, we decided to just bring his QuickJack ourselves. Oh yeah, that also meant taking it to the other side of the country. Here we are, hello East Coast. Now, QuickJack isn't exactly carry-on size, and just to be sure it got there just as it left our warehouse, we decided to ship it via freight truck.
Would you like to work off the ground or off the air? Off the ground, fine.
And a quick check to make sure everything got here intact. Everything looks good here, time to load up. Good thing we got a full-size SUV.
Alright, let's do this.
And off we go. And just a short hour or so drive later, here we are. First things first, let's get offloaded and get everything set up. As I mentioned earlier, John got a couple of mistakes when we first shipped his QuickJacks, so this time we definitely wanted to make sure that he had the correct frames. A right frame, a left frame, both BL5000 SLX models, and that's what we have right here. Set up by yours truly, I made sure that we have the right stuff. Here's a 110 volt power unit to go along with that QuickJack.
Blocked. And blocked. And one thing you're going to notice is that is
Now we pull out the hoses, other accessories, and really finish the unboxing. Tighten up all those fittings, make sure that we have no leaks. The last thing we want is leaks. Connect those hoses, make sure they are nice and locked, good and tight, ready to go. One of the great things about John is that he had a great selection of cars. He had 4 cars that we could use, all of which were going to be a perfect test to see just how versatile QuickJack was for him. So one thing that really brought us out there was the fact that we really wanted to put our money where our mouth is. We wanted to show John that the QuickJack would be the exact kind of setup that he needed and that he was hoping for when he originally placed that order. Fortunately, we were able to prove just that. The setup worked absolutely perfect with all of his vehicles. We had the opportunity to use all the different accessories and showed him all different lifting configurations possible to lift his vehicles safely and securely. Plenty of room to work underneath, as you can see. Real stable setup, everything was solid like a rock. It was really great to be able to experience the QuickJack with all those different vehicles. I can't stress enough how nice it was to have that different variety and be able to show how good QuickJack can be, how versatile it can be in all different kinds of lifting configurations.
Yep.
And with a quick push of the button, everything comes down nice and easy.
Well, I really do hope this is the solution that you were hoping for, and that it'll serve you well.
Oh yeah, it appears to be.
That's great.
Yeah. I'm glad you guys came out, made up for all the frustration.
I'm glad, John. Thanks so much for
Thank
giving
you.
us the opportunity. Really.
Yeah.
And that's that. All in all, it was super great to be out there with John, get him his QuickJack, get it set up, and show that it was exactly the kind of lift that he needed to get all of his work done. It worked flawlessly, it got everything done, and we couldn't have been happier with the turnout. Now just one thing left, get home and get some sleep.